Nikon Z50 II Creator Bundle. Honest truth. Best complete vlogging kit you can buy today. Ever landed in a new city, pulled out your phone to film the sunset, and realized it looks like a potato took the video? I did that in Santorini, golden light everywhere, and my clip looked like it was shot through a toaster. 1 second of magic, ruined. Type, same, if your phone has murdered too many once-in-a-lifetime shots. That sinking feeling when you know the moment was perfect, but your gear just choked. The quiet rage of watching everyone else post cinematic bangers while you're stuck with flat, shaky phone footage. Keep watching. There's a way to finally capture travel like the pros without hauling a camera store in your backpack. Then the Nikon Z50 II Creator Bundle arrived and ended the war in one box. 20.9 megapixel APS-C sensor with Z8 level color science. 4K 60p full-width video with zero crop. New subject detection that locks on people, dogs, cats, birds, cars, planes. 11 frame per second bursts with full AF tracking. Fully articulating screen for perfect vlogging angles. 16 to 50 millimeters. And 50 to 250 millimeters VR lenses that cover literally everything. Rode VideoMicro that actually sounds pro. 72-inch monopod for gimbal-smooth handheld. Deco Gear backpack that fits under the seat. And every single accessory you'll ever need. One travel vlogger forgot his Z60 II on a job. Shot the entire project with the Z50 II bundle instead. Delivered in 8K, ready quality. And the client paid extra because it looked that good. That's when you realize you're not carrying a starter kit. You're carrying freedom. Now I travel with one bag and zero fear. A full-time travel creator with 50 countries says this exact bundle is the only kit he brings anymore. Another wedding filmmaker shot 180 events with it and says the autofocus plus 50 to 250 millimeters combo gets tighter dance floor shots than his old 70 to 200 millimeters f2.8 on full frame. A reviewer who tested every creator kit in 2025 says Nikon finally made an APS-C body that doesn't feel like a downgrade. Thousands of us sold our bigger rigs because this one bundle does everything. Yes, it's not full frame, but when you're shooting 4K 60p with pro audio, perfect color, and two lenses that cover 24 to 375 millimeters equivalent, while everything fits in a personal item, that only APS-C complaint becomes the best feature ever. One YouTuber told me he saved $4,000 in check bag fees alone because he never needs extra gear. See why we all sound slightly obsessed? Which would hurt more? Another year of, I wish I had my real camera, or knowing one $1,400 box ended that forever? Join the creators, wedding filmmakers, and travelers who grabbed the Nikon Z50 II Creator Bundle and instantly stopped making excuses. One camera, two lenses, everything you need, nothing you don't. If you're ready to finally shoot like the pros without the pro hassle, I dropped my affiliate link in the description and pinned. Click it, check it out, no pressure. If it feels like your dream setup, awesome. If not, keep fighting with your phone. Either way, the next sunset is waiting.